Well, hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and it is Wednesday. Good Wednesday to you. So we have some very good little deals over at Walgreens, and we're going to talk about um, the nitty gritty about that. But before we do, we're going to talk really quickly about the Christmas clearance. So I made a video yesterday. I'll link it at the end if you wish to watch it, and it's either going to be 70 or 80 tomorrow. And what I'm thinking, it's going to go Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then on Sunday they'll pack it up and then probably send it to a warehouse for auction as they've done in previous years. One quick question of the buy three or buy four get the fifth for free, is that still going to be taking place? The answer to that is no. Once it hits 70 or 80, that promotion is over. So just be mindful of that. They will not be having that promotion at all. And in your digital coupons folder, there are several boosters that were shown up. You look for it in the household folder. It should be at the bottom or the top. If your account might have received them, I would load these right away. A 5 off of 25 and a 10 off of 30. I got 2 of each. And because earlier in the week I was buying some clearance shampoo and this was working with it, I have the sneakiest suspicion that this will probably also work with the Christmas stuff. And I will let you guys know on Thursday how I do at the store with the Christmas clearance. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is the Truvia sweetener. I've seen a lot of people talk about this on social media, so too many to thank, but a lot of people Sunday onwards was sending me this deal. And if you're trying to get healthy in the new year, well, this manufacturer of Truvia is trying to get you to try it. So at Walgreens, it's $2.99 on a buy one, get one free promotion. Even though the sticker is different, if you lift it, it'll say that new price point at $2.99. Okay, so going back into your insert archive in the Smart Source of January the 3rd, there's $1.50 off of one. So you can use one of these coupons. You sadly can't use a coupon on a free item over at Walgreens. But here's the math for this one. Grabbing 2 of those Truvias, remember, one of them will be totally free, so you don't have to pay for it. Subtracting one of those coupons from the Smart Source of January the 3rd, you're left with paying $1.49 out of pocket. And then Ibotta has a $1.50 back rebate that you can claim up to 2 times, making this free plus a $1.51 money maker. Now, if you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. You'll still get back your Ibotta money. And just to let you know as well, if you do not have that manufacturer coupon, it doesn't really matter here. You're still going to get this item for free, even without the $1.50 coupon because of the 2 Ibotta rebates. Okay, and just to give you a quick look here of the Ibotta rebate, and always open the app to make sure it's still there in your account and scan the product before you buy it to make sure you're grabbing the right one. But here it is, $1.50 back, and you can do it up to 3 times. So how wonderful is that? So this next deal, you can either do it curbside or in-store. I do not know the cost of this in-store at this time, but curbside it would be $3.99 for this Noxzema face cleanser. This deal is courtesy of GME Coupons over on Instagram, a really nice lady with super Walgreens deals. Well, we have this new 3 off of 2 digital coupon, and yes, it is attaching to those Noxzema face cleaners. How wonderful is this? And we barely get deals on Noxzema if you like to use Noxzema. And then over on Ibotta, $1 back, and you can do this a limit of up to 3 times. And when you're in the store, please make sure that you open your Ibotta app and scan the items to make sure that they're attaching to the rebate of this dollar rebate. Because I've heard people saying, it's not working. So you have to grab a specific one of this cleanser. And let's also not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. This is part of Unilever and their catalog. So yes, you will get back some points from the Fetch Rewards app for this one. Okay, so looking at this, remember the Noxzema is on a buy one, get one 50% off. So for 2 of them at $3.99, that's $5.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're left with paying $2.98 out of pocket. Make a $1 submission twice to Ibotta, 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per face cleaner. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that. And again, special shout out and thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram. She posted this, and this is a really great little deal. So I have been mentioning this app Ibotta for the last 2 deals. And if you have not signed up for this, if you're a couponer or even just trying to save money on groceries or like little things like Noxzema or Truvia sweetener, Sign up for this app, guys. I have a link in the notes. And when you go to the store and buy a qualifying item, like from the app, I believe you have up to a week, you'll get back your rebate plus an extra $20 bonus with my link. So check that out if you're new to the app or you haven't been sure. I think $20 is a really good reason why to sign up. And we often do little deals every week with this specific app, Ibotta. So, just a little something extra for you. It's a $20 initiative, which is really fantastic. So please check out that link in the notes if you're interested. Okay, guys, and let's not forget this deal. I showed this on Sunday and I kind of just fell into it, and what a great deal. It is to buy 3 clearance Dove products at 90% off if your store might have it. And it is always your mileage may vary with clearance. If it's on clearance here, it might not be on clearance in your market, or it might be the exact same. I know a couple shoppers out in Texas, they were sending me photos on Instagram, and I was like, where are you guys from? They're like, we're from Texas. And they were getting the same deal. So grabbing 3 of these on clearance, that's $1.92. You would pay that out of pocket or use Walgreens cash. Get back $3 in Walgreens cash, free plus a $1.08 moneymaker for Dove. Yes, please, and thank you so much. Photograph that receipt to the Fetch Rewards app too, because Dove is part of the Unilever line, so you will get back some points for that. Probably not many, but just a couple, which is nothing to sneeze at. So what a great little deal. So definitely, if you have a bunch of Walgreens, I would walk through the shampoo conditioner aisle and look for some clearance stuff. And if you can line up this deal, absolutely make it happen. Okay, guys, so the last store that we have is Meijer. Meijer is in the Midwest only, so and it's not affiliated to any other store like a Kroger or anything like that. It is his own deal. So maybe look up this store as it's typed at the top of this screenshot and your location and see if you might have this grocery store. So this company, Let Me Shine, which I think is like a super uber, like their dish soap, which I've used, and dishwasher cleaner. It's always like really fancy stuff. This is $5.99. I saw it on an end cap at my Meijer, so where they have like the detergent, cleaner, dish soap, the end cap of that aisle, they had a huge display of it, of probably like 200 bottles of this, and it was $5.99. And I was really thinking about buying one because I secretly like to be low-key fancy, so I was just like, I'm going to try one just to see what it's like, and $5.99 isn't the worst, but I was like, that's just too much money for me, so I just left it. And then the next week, I went to the store and it's $2.99. So this product that was $5.99 is exactly 50% off, and it's valid until January the 30th for the sales price. So I would absolutely try one because that is like 50% savings, and what an absolutely great deal. Now at Meijer, these smaller 35 counts, I believe, are $2.99 or $2.51, depending what you're buying. Over at Walgreens, like $3.49 for one. It's cheaper to buy that 75 count at Meijer. So just to give you a price point reference, because a lot of you might be saying like $2.99, that's a ridiculous price. But these disinfectant wipes, if you have pets, if you just need it to clean your home or just to disinfect from the horrible virus, I mean, that's a killer price point. So I'm going to try and find some bottle deposit return money today to get a couple more, because I do want to try this product. I bought one a couple days ago and I'm already impressed. So I want more because that's such a great price point. So I'm going to have to find some money to stock up on this, because what a great, great, great price point. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.